All right, we're here with Alon, Eternal Turf and Pavers. We finish another magnificent, beautiful project out here with Mr. Don. Putting green, we minimize the place from walkway to magnificent playground for Mr. Don. I'd like to ask you, Mr. Don, after we finish it all, what is the total experience? What choose to go with us? How you like it? How you enjoy it?
It's beautiful. But let me explain why I went with you. I was looking for specifics. I wanted a putting green that would be the same or similar to putting greens that I golf with on a regular golf course. So my criteria was a flat green, good speed, nice trim, and something that I could enjoy, especially my wife. She loves it now. So yes, I did have a problem. Previously, we had rocks, stones, pavers, and flagstone. So they were kind enough to move the flagstone to the other side of the house. We started the project, they're on time, they're efficient. What impressed me was, as the workers are progressing, they went ahead, instead of putting one nail every 6 inches, they're putting numerous nails all around the perimeter of the property. And especially around the curbs. I would say they were putting nails like every 2 inches. They're very meticulous. And the putting green, they added extra soil for me, which is a special sand that they use. And I had a pick also of what grasses I wanted. And it was great. Working with them and the team was wonderful. I appreciate your help, and the outcome was wonderful, everything I expected. Thank you very much. And I recommend this company. Everybody. Service, the quality, it's difficult to compare with. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Don. You're amazing.
Okay.